Hello children, let us solve the case study based question. This question is from RSPL 3 paper 17 question. So here there are three race tracks in India, that is Coimbatore, Chennai and Delhi. Just go through the figure. This figure has no connection with the question. So by saying do not be scared with the figure given here, actual question starts at this point. The sketch of the race track with the description is given. So length of each straight portion is 90. So this part from here to here it is 90, and both the ends of the racetrack are semicircle. This part is semicircle. This you can relate this question to the textbook question, the track thing. So let's check what are the question over here. If inner perimeter, so again this word plays the game for you. Inner perimeter means if you start running over here through this line, you have to add, that is 90, you need to add, plus this track here. Check out semicircular track perimeter. So perimeter of a circle is 2 pi r. Here it is 2 pi r by 2, that is pi r, plus then again you run over here in this track here, inner one, plus 90. Then you have to go back to the initial, again this semicircle, you come up to this point, pi r here. So this is equal to 400 given. It is given that this track. You can directly write 400 equal to 180 plus 2 pi r. You can check this r is not given, the small radius is not given, neither the first capital R. So this will be 400 minus 180 equal to 2 pi r. So this will be 0, and this is 220 equal to 2 pi, that is 22 by 7 into r. 22 and 22 cancel, 10 to 1 time to 5 time, so it will be r equal to 35 meters. So small r, inner radius, will be 35 meter. Same way do it for the second one. Outer perimeter of the racing track 480. So outer means, again if you start here in this line, so you have to add 90 plus this side here, this track you are running, one more 90, and then this semicircle. So here I will write directly 2 pi r. This one, the same formula, instead I will write here capital R, that is equal to 488. So we get here 180 plus 2 pi capital R equal to 488, 2 pi r equal to 488 minus 180, we get 308. Yes, yeah. So 2 into 22 by 7 r equal to 308. Leave this r here. 308 into 7 divided by 2 into 22. So let's cancel this. 2 1 time, 2 1 time, 1 5 times, 4 times. So this will go in 11, 11 2 times, 11 1 time, 4 2 7. Okay, we got here r as capital R as 49 meters. So option 1, 49. Width of the track. Okay, let's check this part here in the track. You can see from here to here it is 49, and this track, only this part, the inner, that is 35. So the radius capital R minus small r will be our width of the track. 49 minus 35 is 14, so you get here 14, option 3. Then total area of the track. So until this 3 were about the perimeter. Now coming on to the total area, moving on back with this one. Here, this part, this is a rectangle, one and two rectangles we get. So for that, we will make area here 2 into L into B plus, and we have a two semicircular track, this part semicircular track to be found out both the sides here. So to find the concentric semicircular track, semicircle 2 it pi r here will be capital R square minus small b. We don't want to hold this area here, we want only the track part in this case. So pi r square is for the circle, so semicircle, and then we will put it divided by 2, cancel, cancel. Why this 2? Because there are two semicircular track. This 2 is for the semicircle formula, I mean area of the semicircle. So we get, in this case, 2 length here is 90 into B will be 14, we got it, plus R will be, in this one, 22 by 7, R here is 49 minus 35. Multiply this one, we will get 2 into 1260 plus this one 22 by 7. You make this as r square, take it 49, a plus b, a minus b formula, 49 minus 35. So we get this one is 2520 plus 22 by 7 into 84, this one, and this will be into 14. So finally we get 2520 plus 3696, which is equal to 6216. Okay, check out. See here, these two, do check out each and every term digit and then take your answer. 6216, option 4. Next one, cost of developing the track at this one, this much rate per meter square. This is the area, so multiply 6216 into 12.5, you get 77700 rupees.